Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 is getting so hot that it burns to touch, you're not alone. This overheating can be caused by dust buildup inside the device, which hinders the cooling system's performance. If not addressed promptly, this can lead to serious hardware damage, making your laptop unusable. To perform a thermal cleaning, you will need a few tools and materials. Prepare a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, a soft brush, and a can of compressed air. Begin by ensuring your laptop is turned off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel carefully. Make sure to keep track of the screws as you remove them. Once the back panel is off, locate the cooling fan and heat sink, which are typically near the processor. These components are often the culprits behind overheating. Disconnect any cables that may obstruct your access to the fan, taking care not to damage them. Gently lift the fan out of its housing, using your soft brush to remove any dust or debris that has accumulated. If necessary, use the can of compressed air to blow away stubborn dust. Once clean, apply a thin layer of thermal paste to the processor. Ensure it is evenly spread, as this will help with heat dissipation. Replace the fan, securing it back in its position, and reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. Remember to fasten all screws firmly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reassembling the laptop, make sure to replace the back panel securely. Power on your ThinkPad X1 and monitor its temperature during use. To prevent future overheating, consider using your laptop on a hard, flat surface, which allows for better airflow. Regularly clean the vents and fans, and avoid using it in dusty environments. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.